Hi there. Today I want to share another Bible verse with you. Today we are going over Proverbs 3, verse 5 and 6. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 and 6. And it says the following: Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to him, and he will make your paths straight. This means that you completely rely on the wisdom and the promises of God, even when your own instincts and logic fall short. And it is a daily decision to let go of control and allow His direction to guide your path. This is my channel. We come together to grow in faith, walk in truth, and live boldly for God. Blessings.